Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the proposed improvement project on Wisconsin 95 from County K in Jackson County to Wisconsin 73 South in Clark County. The proposed project begins at County K on the eastern edge of the village of Maryland and continues through Jackson County, town of Alma, and Clark County towns of Dewhurst, Levis, and Pine Valley, ending at Wisconsin 73 South. In the project limits, Wisconsin 95 is a two-lane undivided highway. It is an east-west minor arterial utilized by local commuter, regional truck, and tourism traffic connecting rural communities of Clark and Jackson counties of western and central Wisconsin to the I-94 and US 10 corridors. The total project length is 14.3 miles. The presentation will follow the outline shown here. First, discussing the purpose and need of the project. Second, the proposed improvements. Third, traffic impacts. Fourth, the next activities in the schedule. And finally, project contact information. Existing pavement on Wisconsin 95 is showing signs of deterioration in the forms of various types of cracking, and there is running within the normal wheel paths. This deterioration causes poor ride quality, presents safety concerns, and is unsightly. Existing culvert pipes under Wisconsin 95 are showing signs of deterioration. Some have reached the end of their service lives. Others are in need of repair as they are experiencing corrosion, joint separation, and damaged or missing end walls, which reduces the structural integrity of the pipe and hinders the pipe's ability to convey flow. The existing guardrail systems are outdated throughout the project corridor and need to be upgraded to meet current standards. The existing bridge that carries Wisconsin 95 over the Black River northeast of Maryland has settling approach slabs on both sides of the structure, shifting wing walls, and spalling concrete on an abutment. These issues, if not addressed, can cause further deterioration of the existing bridge and result in an uneven road surface at the bridge approaches. The proposed pavement improvements include milling the top 2 inches of the existing pavement, mixing the millings with emulsion, rejuvenating agents, and additives, relaying it on the roadway, and then completing a chip and fog seal over it. The improvements also include placing centerline and shoulder rumble strips to improve the safety of the traveling public. Several culverts have accumulated sediment and need to be cleaned. In addition, overgrown ditches near the culvert ends will be cleaned to improve drainage. Other culverts need to be repaired or replaced. The guardrail along the project are outdated. All systems will be fully replaced to meet current standards. Proposed work on the bridge over the Black River includes replacing the concrete approaches on both ends of the bridge, replacing the east wing walls, and making surface repairs on the east abutment. In a separate project completed during the Wisconsin 95 project, the railroad crossing on the east edge of Maryland will be replaced. Wisconsin 95 will remain open to traffic during most work. For pavement, culvert, and guardrail work, motorists can expect daily single-lane closures controlled by flagging operations. Additional flaggers will be provided at intersecting roadways when the work zone encompasses an intersection or multiple intersections. Access to business and residential driveways will be maintained. However, single driveways will be temporarily closed for short periods of time when the surface recycling or chip and fog seal operations are in the immediate vicinity of the driveway. When multiple driveways serve a single property, the construction will be staged so at least one of the driveways remains open. For rehabilitation of the Black River Bridge, motorists can expect single-lane closures controlled by temporary traffic signals. Wisconsin 95 will be closed during replacement of the railroad crossing in Maryland, and through traffic will be detoured using US 10 and US 12. Preliminary design began in the spring of 2024. The preliminary design and environmental process is to be completed in May 2025. The plans for the projects are currently scheduled to be finalized by May 2027, and the construction is currently scheduled for the 2028 construction season. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this project, please send a letter or an email to or call one of the project contacts listed here. Thank you.